use is very simple and we can even make it without any hand.
These are the ingredients we're going to use.
210 grams of flour, 400 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 120 milliliters of milk, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 75 grams of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Now let's start making the cake.
We are going to take a mixing bowl and put all the dry ingredients. First, we are going to put the flour into the bowl.
We've already sifted the flour and the cocoa powder, so there are no lumps in it. Let's add the cocoa powder,
Sugar,
baking soda,
salt. Remember to put only a pinch of salt.
and baking powder. Now let's mix all these dry ingredients very well. Now we are going to mix the wet ingredients. Usually when we make a cake, we mix the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients separately. But in this recipe, we mix all the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together.
That's why it's easy.
Now let's start putting the milk.
Eggs,
Oil,
and vanilla.
Now we have to beat all these ingredients really well.
Why is this so runny?
Well, in this recipe, the batter should be runny. Don't worry if the sugar is not very mixed with the batter, because we have one more ingredient that's gonna make the sugar mix well.
Last ingredient is boiling hot water.
Now let's beat this batter again. We've already prepared the baking tray and preheated the oven. You have to bake the cake about 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Now let's put it into the oven and bake the cake.
This is the cake we baked.
You can see it's a little cracked.
It smells so good. I'm excited to try it.
Me too.
And she's already trying it. Is it good?
Is it good? Hello.
Yummy?
Tasty. Good.
Now let's ganache our cake. We have double boiled some chocolate with milk and cut some cashews into tiny pieces. Now we're gonna mix the cashews with the chocolate. Now we're gonna put this on top of our cake. Now let's put this in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. This is the cake we made today. And now let's try it.
Yeah, Mama! Can from here. Yes. Good job, baby.
Try.
Oh, you want another piece?
Let's try it. It's so good. You guys should make this and comment it how it turned out.
Thanks
you
for
for watching.
watching.
Bye.